What if I told you that the law of attraction isn't just new age hype, but has roots in neuroscience, quantum physics, and psychology? Today, we're diving deep, examining the hard science behind how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why focusing your mind can literally rewire your brain and alter the world around you. Welcome back to Vibe and Manifest, your trusted source for blending universal wisdom with real-world science. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our evidence-based guides to manifesting the life you want. In this video, we'll unpack 3 scientific domains: neuroscience, quantum theory, and psychology, to reveal why the law of attraction works. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Neuroscience of Thought and Brain Plasticity. 1.1. Brain Plasticity and Neurogenesis. The first piece of the puzzle is brain plasticity, our brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Research shows that when you repeatedly focus on a thought or mental image, you strengthen neural pathways related to that idea. A 2011 study published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience demonstrated that participants who visualized performing a piano sequence for just 5 minutes a day developed measurable improvements in neural connectivity, almost as if they'd physically practiced the sequence. This means that by vividly imagining your goals, wealth, health, success, you're literally practicing them in your brain. 1.2. Reticular Activating System. Next, let's talk about the Reticular Activating System, or RAS, a network of neurons at the base of your brain. The RAS acts like a filter, deciding what information to bring to your conscious attention. If your mind is tuned to abundance through affirmations, visualizations, or focused thought, your RAS starts filtering for opportunities that match that frequency. Job postings, investment ideas, or supportive relationships you might otherwise overlook. A 2010 study in psychological science confirmed that priming participants with goal-related words made them more likely to notice those words in subsequent tasks, proof that our brain's filter adapts to what we emphasize mentally. 1.3. Mirror neurons and empathy. Mirror neurons fire both when you perform an action and when you observe someone else performing that action. They're key to empathy, learning by imitation, and emotional resonance. When you watch or listen to stories of success, say a friend celebrating a win or a motivational video, you activate your mirror neuron system. This not only uplifts your mood, but also primes your brain to believe in possibility. Studies from the Journal of Neuroscience show that observing positive outcomes in others can boost your own neural readiness to pursue similar outcomes. 1.4. Practical takeaway. So how do we apply these neuroscience insights? Daily visualization practice. Spend 3 to 5 minutes vividly imagining your goals. Picture the details, colors, sounds, feelings, and engage your senses. Affirmation repetition. Use present tense statements, "I am prosperous," "I attract opportunities," to program your RAS. Consume success stories. Watch, read, or listen to people who've achieved what you want. Activate your mirror neurons and internalize their mindset. Part 2. Quantum Physics and the Observer Effect. 2.1. Double Slit Experiment and Consciousness. One of the most fascinating findings in quantum physics is the observer effect, famously demonstrated in the double slit experiment. When electrons or photons are fired at a barrier with 2 slits, they create an interference pattern, as if they behave like waves, until we measure or observe them, at which point they behave like particles. This suggests that observation itself influences physical reality. While there's debate about what observation truly means in physics, some researchers propose that consciousness plays a role, hinting at a deeper connection between mind and matter. 2.2. Quantum Entanglement and Non-Locality. Quantum entanglement describes pairs of particles that remain connected no matter the distance between them. Measuring one instantly influences the other. Albert Einstein dubbed it spooky action at a distance. For manifestation enthusiasts, entanglement illustrates how everything in the universe may be deeply interconnected. Though translating this into practical advice requires nuance, the takeaway is that your intentions might resonate beyond your personal sphere, influencing circumstances in subtle ways. 2.3. Coherence and intention. Scientists studying quantum coherence, where particles oscillate in unison, have found that systems in coherent states exhibit collective behavior. Similarly, when you hold coherent intentions, clear, focused, and emotion-charged thoughts, you align energetically with your goals. A 2008 study by the Institute of Heart Math showed that focused positive emotions increase the electromagnetic coherence of the heart, correlating with improved mental clarity and emotional stability. 2.4. Practical takeaway. To leverage quantum principles, set clear intentions. Write down your goals with precise language and emotion. Cultivate coherent emotions. Practice gratitude, love, and joy to harmonize your internal field. Stay mindful of observation. Regularly review your progress and stay present to shift your energy as needed. Part 3. Psychological principles and self-fulfilling prophecies. 3.1. Self-efficacy and belief systems. Psychologist Albert Bandura introduced the concept of self-efficacy, the belief in your own ability to succeed. High self-efficacy correlates with greater motivation, resilience, and goal achievement. When you affirm "I can" and visualize success, you boost self-efficacy, increasing the likelihood that you'll take effective action. Research in Journal of Personality and Social Psychology shows that beliefs about ability can significantly impact performance outcomes. 3.2. Cognitive biases and confirmation bias. Our minds naturally look for evidence that confirms our beliefs, a phenomenon known as confirmation bias. If you believe the universe is abundant, you'll notice opportunities. If you expect scarcity, you'll overlook them. Awareness of this bias allows you to intentionally focus on abundance cues, effectively training your brain to see what serves your goals. 3.3. Emotional regulation and stress reduction. Chronic stress and negative emotions lower your vibration, narrowing your focus and diminishing creativity. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, breath work, and progressive muscle relaxation reduce cortisol and activate the parasympathetic nervous system. A meta-analysis in JAMA Internal Medicine found mindfulness practices significantly reduce anxiety and improve well-being, creating the mental space needed for positive intention to flourish. 3.4. Practical takeaway. Incorporate these psychology-based habits. Build self-efficacy. Celebrate small wins daily to reinforce belief in your capabilities. Harness confirmation bias. Journal 3 examples of abundance you noticed each day. Practice stress relief. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to mindfulness or breath work to reset your mood. Part 4. Integrating science into your manifestation practice. Let's bring it all together. Here's a science-backed protocol you can follow daily. 1. Morning visualization and affirmations, 5 minutes. Engage your neural pathways and RAS. 2. Midday quantum coherence check, 2 minutes. Pause, breathe gratitude, and align your heart's energy. 3. Evening reflection and journaling, 5 minutes. Note wins, failures, and abundance cues. Harness confirmation bias. 4. Nightly sleep intention, 2 minutes. Before bed, program your subconscious with clear intentions. By consistently cycling through these practices, you leverage neuroplasticity, quantum resonance, and psychological momentum to make manifestation a tangible reality. Closing and call to action. Science shows that your mind is far more powerful than you've been led to believe. By consciously directing your thoughts and emotions, you can literally reshape your brain, influence your environment, and attract the life you desire. If you found this deep dive enlightening, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next exploration. Advanced manifestation techniques you can start using today. Comment below which scientific insight surprised you the most, and let's keep raising our vibration together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.